Hi guys, welcome to my cocktail vlog. Today I'm gonna prepare daiquiri, one of the best cocktails I've tried so far. Why? Because it has a delicious sweet and sour taste, looks perfect, and contains a lot of alcohol. So let's go! You all know daiquiri as a summer refreshing cocktail, but you should also know that daiquiri is also the name of one beach in Cuba, close to Santiago de Cuba. So if you're traveling to Cuba, make sure you visit the daiquiri beach and order one daiquiri. Daiquiri is a very simple cocktail. We need only 3 ingredients, so make sure you have it home. White rum, simple syrup, a few limes, and this long bar spoon is not necessary for this cocktail. So let's start with white rum. We need 60 milliliters or 2 ounces. Then we need a fresh lime juice. So you need a fresh lime. I know that the lime of this size is approximately 30 milliliters or 1 ounce. So you don't need to use a jigger to mess everything around, you know. Don't make it complicated. It's just a cocktail that you drink like this in 2 minutes. Trust me. Now add 15 milliliters, half an ounce of simple syrup. You can either buy it in a supermarket or you can make it at home. It's very simple. Because it's simple syrup. Add ice into the shaker and shake it for 15 seconds. I'm serving my daiquiri into a chilled coupe glass, but you can use a martini glass or a rocks glass or any glass you have at home. And if you don't forget, double strain your daiquiri using a fine strainer, and you can watch also this video. And for garnish you can use a simple lime wheel. So this is daiquiri, my friends. Cheers! It tastes even better than it looks like, trust me. So go to supermarket, get some limes and prepare your daiquiri at home still today. I still haven't decided about the cocktail for my next video, so just leave a suggestion in a comment and then I'll pick one. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. You can do it right here, right now. And then see you next time.